Welcome! In front of me is a HUAWEI Nova 12i, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, you will want to pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top right side of your screen like so, and then locate the hotspot toggle, which looks like this. Once you see it, you can hold it. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize it. Now, the reason you might want to navigate here, even if you don't really want to change many things, is because password is randomly generated. So without navigating in here, you have no way of knowing. And usually just a random abomination of letters and numbers. So what I would recommend doing is getting rid of the old pre-generated password and setting up your own new password, which will need to have at least 8 characters in length. Once you click on OK, if it's simple like it is for me, it will nag you that it's simple. I'm gonna select use anyway. It's a hotspot. It's not like it really matters. And from there we can toggle it on either in here, which it does generate a QR code for easy connection, or you can also do it from the toggles right here by tapping on it. So it's on and off. Now when it comes down to disabling it, I do recommend keeping that in mind, as hotspot will consume more of your phone's batteries if you're not using it. There is no reason for it to be running in the background. And there's a chance that it is enabled by default, so mobile hotspot turn off timer, and it's set to 5 minutes. You can make it longer if you want to, or turn it off, which I wouldn't recommend. But maybe setting it up to like 10 minutes would be a better option. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to smash like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.